Hello everyone, you're welcome to simplify this math problem, which is 29 to power 3 plus 15 to power 3 divided by 14 to power 3 plus 29 to power 3. So how do we solve this problem? So let's provide a solution here. From what we have here, we can express 29 as 15 plus 14. 15 plus 14 is the same thing as 29. Now all this raised to power 3, then plus 15 to power 3 divided by, now we have 14 to power 3, so this is 14 to power 3 plus 29, which you can express as 15 plus 14, all this raised to power 3. The next step from here, we can say let x be equal to 15 and let y be equal to 14. Substituting these values of x and y here, we have x plus y to power 3, then plus x to power 3 divided by, here we have y to power 3, then plus, again here x plus y to power 3. Now, the next step we can just say, let m be equal to x plus y. So we have m equal to x plus y. Substituting this, here we have m to power 3 plus x to power 3 divided by y to power 3, then plus x plus y, which is m, so we have m to power 3. Now, the next step from here, m to power 3 plus x to power 3, this is the sum of two cubes expressed as a to power 3 plus b to power 3, which we can express as a plus b. Then here we have a squared minus ab plus b squared. So that implies that m to power 3 plus x to power 3, this can be expressed as m plus x, close the brackets here. Then we have m squared minus mx plus x squared. The same case here, y to power 3 plus m to power 3 in the denominator here. This implies that y to power 3 plus m to power 3, we can express this as y plus m. And then here we have y squared minus my, then plus m squared. So in the numerator, we have m plus x, m squared minus mx plus x squared, close the bracket, divided by y plus m. Here we have y squared minus my plus m squared. But we have that m is equal to x plus y. So let's substitute that m is equal to x plus y. So let's substitute the value of m here with x plus y. So we have in the numerator x plus y, then x plus y squared, then minus x plus y multiplied by x, then plus x squared. Now, this is in the numerator part. Let's check the denominator part. We have y plus m, which is x plus y, close the bracket here. Then we have y squared minus, we have x plus y times y, then plus m squared, which is x plus y squared. So in the numerator part here, we have x plus y, then we have again here x plus y squared, this is x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy, then subtract here. This is minus x times x. This is minus x squared. Then we have minus y times x. This is minus xy, then plus x squared. Close the bracket. Now, in the denominator part here, we have y. Remember here there is x plus x. Sorry, we have x here. So we have x plus x. So this is the same thing as we have x plus y plus x. And then we have x squared minus x squared. So this simplifies. So we remain with x squared. Then plus we have y squared. 2xy minus xy. So this becomes plus xy. So this is in the numerator part. In the denominator, we have y plus x plus y. So we have here 2y plus x. Then here, we'll have y squared subtract minus x times y. So this is xy. Then subtract y squared. Then plus. Now, this is x plus y squared. So this becomes x squared plus y squared, then plus 2xy. Close the bracket. So in the numerator part, we have x plus x, which is 2x plus y. Close the bracket. And then here we have x squared plus y squared plus xy divided by, now here we have 2y plus x, close the bracket here. And then here we have y squared minus y squared, so this simplifies. Then we have x squared, so I can write this as x squared. Then we have y squared, so plus y squared minus xy plus 2xy, so this implies we have plus xy. Close the bracket. So this implies that from the numerator and the denominator part, x squared plus y squared plus xy, this is common, so we can simplify here. So that now we have 2x plus y over 2y plus x. But we have the value of x, which is equal to 15, and we have the value of y, which is equal to 14. Substituting these values of x and y, so this implies here we have 2 times x, which is 15, then plus y, which is 14. Now here we have 2 times x, which is 15, plus y, which is 14, divided by 2 times y, which is 2 times 14, plus x, which is 15. Now this is equal to, here we have 2 times 15, which is 30, plus 14 over 14 times 2, which is 28, plus 15. So that now here we have that plus 14, this is 44, divided by 28 plus 15, which is 43. So, and this is the solution, and this is the solution to this problem, which you can approximate as 1.0234. So this is the solution. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.